Hi friends, in this section we'll study the data types. In PLSQL we have different data types. So we have variables and constants. So for that variables and constants we need some data types for storing their data. So the PLSQL variables and constants are stored in some specific storage format. So that is known as the data types. There are 6 different type of data types: scalar, composite, reference, user defined, LOB and unknown. So we'll study first the scalar data types. Scalar data types haven't internal components. It's like the linear data types that so the scalar data types are divided into 4 parts. They are character, numeric, boolean and the date time. So these are the majorly divided scalar data types. The scalar data types we'll study first its types and then subtypes. So the first we'll study the numeric type. The numeric number data type is used to store the numeric data. So any kind of numeric data is stored into the numeric data types. It can store fixed and the floating point numbers. Numbers are of any magnitude, like 30, 40, and that can be stored, and numbers can be positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. So we can store all type of numbers in the numeric data types. So how we declare the fixed point numbers? So for declaring we use this column name, then number, precision and the scale. So this is how we declare the number data types. This is the column name and then the precision and its scale. So the precision range is from 1 till 38 and the scale range is from -84 till 127. So the precision is still how we can till how we can define this, and the scale is from -84 to 127. So in the numbers could be like 140, any numbers we have seen in the previous chapters. So there are different subtypes in the numeric types. They are decimal, double, float, real number, int, small int. So these are all the subtypes of the numeric type. They have their different significance. The decimal and the numeric types are used to declare the fixed point numbers, and with a maximum precision of the 38 decimal digit. So till 38 only we can the decimal and numeric can be used. The double, precision, float are used to declare the floating point numbers. So they are used for double, float are for the floating point numbers, and the integer, int and the small int are used to declare the integer values. So these are the subtypes. When you'll write the code, you will learn these subtypes, how we can use these subtypes. So the other types are the binary integer and the PLS integer. The binary integers are used to store the binary value in this integer value in the database. Then the storage range is from -21467 to 48367 till 214748367. So that's having high value. And PLS integer is another type. Binary integer and PLS integer are quite same. They are sharing same date range, storage range, sorry, but there are differences between them. The better usages of the PLS integer. PLS integer is used for the signed integers. So PLS integer requires the less storage space, and as compared to the number data types, the PLS integer having the better performance. So it's having better performance, less storage and faster arithmetic operations. So although they are having the same magnitude, but there is one more difference. when the subtype is defined as the PLS integer, there if any of the calculation overflows comes, then the exception is raised in that case. But in binary integer, if you have declared the data type as binary integer, if the arithmetic operation exception comes, overflow comes, then it will not throw any kind of exception. So the PLS integer, I would say, is the enhanced version of the binary integer, so we should use the PLS integer instead of the binary. Let's write an example. Let's for the number data type. So first we'll declare this variable vsal number 38. We have taken the max precision 38 and then -2 as the scale. So let's select the any number from the employee master table, 5, but there is, I guess, no number data type here, so let's add one column there. Alter table employee master, add I've added salary and as number 20, so the table is altered. Now you can see that there would be one more column added in this table. So salary has been added. This is in last, as you see, after the last updated date. So we'll select this and insert that into the select salary into v underscore sal from employee master and then n. Let's execute this. So this has returned more than, where we'll define one employee code also, where so this is all the rows, data grid, script output, grid output. I've only selected salary. I need to select all the columns, so I would add star, select star from the employee master table. So it shows you all the outputs, where emp code is equal to emp 0001. So select salary, which is the new added number column, into v underscore sal, and let's execute. So we have missed the semicolon here. So this PLSQL block is successfully completed now. So the salary's value for this employee code is assigned to the numeric value. So for this, we used to declare we use these data types. Let's discuss the character, boolean and datetime in the another session. Thanks.